Patio 10, and this segment is sponsored by Easton Outdoors. This is Micah Miller, managing member there at Easton Outdoors. He's got another great project before and after to show you. So how's it going, Micah? Thank you for joining us here on Patio 10.
It's going great.
Which we love, done by Easton Outdoors.
Yeah.
Tell us about the job site you're talking about today.
Yes, so this is episode 11 of the Why Revamp the Yard, the project Revamp. So in this particular case, we have a client that just finished building a house. It's a brand new house, and they said, you know what, while we're building this house, our retirement house, it's gotta be everything we always wanted. So we're gonna, all stops pulled, we're gonna make something happen in this backyard. So they said, we want a pool, we want a tropical landscape, we wanna have it with an outdoor fire pit, we wanna have water flowing, we wanna have all the features packed into our backyard right from the get-go, and not waiting 3 or 4 years later after their landscape is established and then getting started on all of this process.
Well, I mean, there's two different ways you can do it. You can do it in stages over time.
That's
you
right.
can do the pool, you can add the deck, you can add this over time, or you can do it all at once.
All at once, just
and which is a good way of doing it. But I see the elements that are important. I see the wavy lines. I didn't want anything straight. The pool is the centerpiece, but there's so much going on there. What did you add to it?
Yes, so what was important to them was having something that is similar to how they vacation. They vacation in tropical climates frequently, and they've got this foliage that's kind of filling in and closing in on their space, kind of making them feel like they're swimming in maybe an Amazon jungle or out in, Florida, and having all that foliage kind of fill in. So when the space was being designed, one of the important elements was, don't give us a large, flat, open deck. We want everything to kind of have like different rooms and kind of have different, tuck away spots that we can kind of disappear into, and then as the landscape fills in, it'll almost block like your view, and it'll only leave a narrow window open. And so if you look at these pictures in the landscape, we've kind of got these dips in, and inside of those dips there's lots of lush landscaping, and then the water feature in the back's got a lot of structure and lush landscaping behind it as well.
There's always something different to see, especially with the landscaping,
That's
which
right.
is an important element of that. Talk about the time frame to build all that, because it starts with the pool and then it kind of comes brown.
That's right. So because this was a multifaceted landscape install, from the pool to then the hardscape, and there's a retaining wall, there's gas lines, electrical, I mean, there's a lot of stuff that went into making this particular project happen. It started with about an 8-week window where they could get into the pool in about 8 weeks. But everything that needed to happen and all the different trades that needed to come through, including the fencing, your gas lines and all that kind of stuff, this ended up being about a 16-week project from start to finish. Yeah.
Obviously, that's a big dollar. That's a big dollar.
It is.
That's a big dollar. Okay, we're going to pop up a QR code on your screen right now. If you want more information, point your smartphone right at the QR code. You'll get more information on Easton Outdoors and all that you can do. Talk a little bit more about, obviously, they're thrilled with that. And,
yes, they love it.
And you've come on this, I don't know how many, 11 episodes of Revamp your backyard. You had us at a townhouse. Now you've got a big backyard.
That's right.
You can do any job, big or small or in between.
That's right. So it really depends on what the scope, what's desired in the backyard. And so it typically starts with a phone call with me. You can go on my website and schedule that. And what I like to do is just talk about what your dreams are, your visions. I like to see your Pinterest board. And one of the most important things that I always joke is, I want to know what you hate, what you don't want to see in your backyard. Like, that's an important thing for me to know, because if I know what you really don't like, then I can start to kind of steer into things that you may like, and we can start kind of experimenting and throwing things at the wall.
Well, can I tell you what we like here on Patio 10? We love this retaining wall. We love the water feature. There's the kitchen. Oh, and you can do all that in your backyard and shade, a little bit of everything. Yeah. It's just whatever it is you want, they can do it. As always, Micah, thank you for joining us here at HRS. We love Patio 10, by the way.
Thank you.
You never heard us say that, right?
I've never heard that.
All right, once again. All right, so this segment of the Hampton Road Show is sponsored by Easton Outdoors. They are located at 550 With Creek Road in Pocosin. Give them a call, 757-262-3232, or visit easton-outdoors.com. Check out more photos on social media for inspiration. They're on Facebook and Instagram at Easton Outdoors LLC.